Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of The Stock Geek. As we know, Powell recently spoke and mentioned that there needs to be a new stimulus check or some sort of funding from Congress to help the economy thrive until we reach pre-pandemic levels, as well as he mentioned low interest rates for years to come. But without the help of a stimulus check, I do see investors will continue to build fear and we will see a downtrend in the market. But with the help of a stimulus check, I do see the market reaching higher highs. Alright, as Trump and Biden are frontrunners for the 2020 presidential election, I do see a bumpy road all the way up until election day. The investors will be hearing what each candidate has to say about the economy, tax plan, other quote-unquote things they have planned to do for the US of A. Alright, but before I start, I want to let everyone know my favorite plays as of right now are SPAC plays. Ticker symbol SHLL, SPAQ, LCA, HCAC, just to name a few. Let's take a slight transition into today's pick. Today's pick is CLIS, or Clickstream. From hitting a high of 0.099 a couple weeks back to recently steady trending around 0.07 area at the time of this recording. CLIS support is around 0.071 and the resistance is around 0.077. But what happened back in the day when Clickstream launched their website and the quote-unquote app launch day came out, they were at 0.03 and they flew all the way to 0.27. So what can we expect when they do announce the release of their app, or when the app actually does hit the market? I do see it hitting maybe 0.34, 0.4. You know what? The opportunities are endless. So what is the app they are planning to launch? This app is called WinQuick. So what is WinQuick? I'll be getting into full details what WinQuick is. But WinQuick is a trivia app, a trivia game that just does not target sports. It tries to target everybody, the casual user, or me and you per se. But they did uplift to OTCQB, which has the requirements of being at 0.01, not being in danger of bankruptcy. So what does this mean? It means that the Clickstream does have enough money to stay open, and it means that they could potentially in the future uplift to NASDAQ, but they do have to read compliance, requirements, regulations, etc. So let's dive right into today's stock, Clickstream. What is WinQuick? WinQuick is a digital and mobile gaming platform where live games and live trivia will let the user play for an incentive. What is the incentive? Cash money. We all want cash money. So, but people will be like, there's already a lot of trivia apps. What makes them different? What will make me want to engage in this app? What will make me want to tell a friend to download this app? What makes this app different? What makes this app different is that Clickstream plans to use celebrity hosts to gain popularity. They will use hosts like Brian Ballinger, Amber Thiero, Michael Hogg, Jordan Andino, Josh Dobbs, and Howie Squab, all with backgrounds ranging from the NFL, hosting a food television show, and even ESPN trivia. Through these hosts, Clickstream plans to get the media's attention, as well as they can lead them to future potential sponsorship to continue more ventures in this app. So why would they do this? Well, Clickstream plans to continue to add more hosts as time progresses. They plan to add a variety of hosts, as they don't just plan to target a certain area. They plan to target everyone, the casual user. They can plan to target beauty, television shows, music, movies, anime, just name a few. They plan to target different areas, and they don't just want to focus on one sector. They don't want to focus just per se in NFL trivia. They want to target everybody as a whole. This will make them different. This will make me want to engage in WinQuick and start to get involved with Clickstream. As well as Clickstream allows the user to start interacting within 20 seconds of using the app. They will be hosting live games and live trivia 2 to 4 times a week. They just don't want an app that will be here for a short term. They want a long term app. They don't want an app that we all remember Flappy Bird. Everyone was into Flappy Bird back in the days. Like, if you didn't know what Flappy Bird was, I don't know where you live. But where is Flappy Bird now? They don't want an app like that. They want an app that'll be here for the long term with growth, as well as they could potentially get the uplift to NASDAQ in the long term. But I don't know. This app has a lot of potential in my eye. What will make them different is all of the above. But how will Clickstream make money with the free app? Clickstream plans to make money by monetizing their app, where they will advertise ads, sponsorships, and brand advertising. They also did mention that their first month's money from the sponsorship will be used to gain an audience and attract more people through their cash incentive. They also received word that their app developer, Infosoft, will help them with customer service as well as help them gain sponsorships. Through their marketing, they will use common apps that we all use on a daily basis like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, where they will have pop-up ads for, say, you got a few seconds to let everyone know what your app's about, or like try to get someone to engage in your app. Just like a little promotion that pops up. That's why I believe they will be targeting all forms of the world through sports, social media, just in general. They have a good advertisement plan, as well as a new marketing firm that they signed a deal with to help them market their app. Like, I am extremely bullish, and I anticipate that when Clickstream hits the market, it will run huge, 200-300%. The world is endless. As well as we're all aware, they're offering close, where they sold out of shares. Usually after an offering, a huge PR comes. They also did mention that they have enough cash to go the rest of the year without any revenue. That's why currently I am extremely bullish. And now that we all aware of all these things and how they will make money, they did mention, are extremely excited to say they have the best of their kind app. Now, let's dive into Clickstream's financials. COIS currently has total assets amounting to $1,200,000 and total liabilities amounting to $1,238,000, with currently no revenues as of 2020 and having incurred more debt totaling $310,000. They expect their offering to finance all of WinKick Productions, as WinKick is expected to bring in revenue at a staggering rate in the next quarter. I am expecting for them to have a huge stock rise when the app is launched. Also, when the app is announced to hit the market, I expect the stock to run, I've been saying, 200 to 300%. I cannot emphasize this enough. As we did see in the past, the stock run up more than 100%. I do see it be repeated or even run way more. But to a lot of investors, no revenue is a huge red flag. I do see why they can see that, but I plan to play the hype in the stock. I plan to play the hype of the short-term run when the app is launched. I will not hold long-term, but I will be keeping an eye on it. My personal price target is 0.3, but I will be taking profit on the pop just because it's OTC stock, meaning that OTC stocks are not as reliable as a regular stock. It is a penny stock, as we're all aware. We will not see Tesla drop 50% in one day just because everybody took profits. But in a penny stock, you can see it flop 50% when everybody takes profit and everybody says buy the dip. But there's a lot of sayings. But when will the dip be dipped? Stop dipping. I buy the dip and it dips more. Personally, in a penny stock, I never really buy the dip unless I see it bottom out. Other than that, I'll stay away once I have taken my profits. There is some speculations of what it could be like in the future. There's a long shot, but maybe in the future they have a good production team, marketing team, and overall team. They could be the quote-unquote maybe next DraftKings, maybe the next ticker symbol GAN. Who knows? Only the time will tell. But with major celebrity hosts, like I did mention, NFL Network, the Sultan of Sports Trivia, and the new marketing firm that will be launching the new app. It's like I am extremely bullish on this stuff. And this concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching towards the end of this video. If you guys don't already know, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at the Stock Geek One. If you guys want to keep updated on my daily watch list, I do post a ticker symbol that I will be watching for the next day, and I do try to give a small reasoning on why I chose that stock. I don't give a full due diligence. I just give you guys a list of like ranging from 5 to 8 stocks, and do let you guys know how the futures will look. And I do try to quote unquote advise you guys in a way, but I don't play for you on what I plan to play on the stock. Thank you guys for watching towards the end of this video. Peace.